everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw something that I ate with my full family, but I'm not going to tell you. Just copy me and then you'll see. First, draw a curvy line, and then a line, and then down here, start another curve. And then draw a line. And then make a curve. You may know what it is. But if you don't, I won't tell you. Then draw a line. And then draw its pattern. Let's start with the other part. Then draw a circle. And then make another one around. And then draw a line and another one. And then on that line, draw up here the line across, down. With up, line, down. Across, down, I mean. And then over here, draw another. And then connect that with this fruit. You may know what it is. It's actually done, but we're adding one more thing. We're done. If you don't know what it is, it's a mango. I drawed two because me, my mom, my brother, my dad ate two mangoes. Not one, two mangoes. I know facts about mangoes. It is a very healthy fruit. It's really juicy inside the mango. When it's raw, it's really sour, which I don't like sour. When it's ripe, it's really sweet, not sour. It has lots of healthy things in it. You should always eat vegetables and fruits like bananas, carrots, and more. It's time to color. That's my favorite part. I need my brown. Now let's color the leaf green. It may be down here. Yes, it is. So when the mango is not ripe, it's green. When it's ripe, it's yellow. We drawed two, so we can draw both of them. First, we'll get our yellow out. We're done with the ripe one. Now we'll color the sour one. Alright, we're done actually. Before I say bye to you, I want to tell you a story. It's about a mango. Once upon a time, there was a mango that he was scared, but that he would lose off the tree. He was almost off the tree. He got scared, but another mango said, "Mango, don't be scared. We're supposed to fall." But the other mango didn't trust the other mango. So, that mango was still scared. After he didn't trust the sour one, he got more scared than ever. And then when he fell down onto the floor, he laid right into the pile of mangoes. The end. And before I say bye, I have a wiggly tooth. Now, bye for now.